Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. You're gonna say, yeah Kuras, what's wrong with you? You're gonna cook now? Yes guys, I'm gonna cook now. So guys, we're gonna cook chicken with potatoes. Very easy to do. Let's get started so I can show you, right? Alright guys, so we're gonna need first of all the chicken. We're gonna cook chicken with the potatoes. Very simple, very easy recipe. So after this video, I don't want anyone to tell that he don't know how to cook, because this is very easy. I do it every week actually. This is my food after my workout. I hope you saw the videos with my workout here at home. Easy home workouts. So this is what I eat after workout, and I'm getting in shape, you know, look at this. Wow. Alright guys. So after workout we need protein. So this is the food. The chicken have a lot of protein. So that's why I'm cooking chicken. So guys, what we're gonna need? We're gonna need the chicken, we're gonna need the potatoes, we're gonna need the onions, we're gonna need some spices. So here I have here oregano, I have here curry, I have here some garlic pepper, I have here some black pepper and some garlic salt. Alright? Whatever I find in my closet here, in the drawer, whatever. So I'm gonna need some mustard. I like to putting mustard to my chicken, and also a lot of oil, olive oil, right? So this is the ingredients that we're gonna use. If you miss something, it's okay. At least you have most of them, let's say, or you can add something else if you want. I make my chicken with mustard and this especially curry, because this is the way I like it, alright? So let's get started. Let's clean the chicken and clean the potatoes as well. Okay, let's start. You can use also a whole chicken, but I choose to take pieces. It actually doesn't matter. I was lazy to cut, cut the whole chicken, so that's why. So we're gonna put chicken on the side to dry a bit, and we're gonna start with cleaning the potatoes. Okay guys, we finished with the hard part, the cleaning of the potatoes. I even scratched myself here. Anyway, the hard part is finished, and right now we're gonna cut them to small pieces. The fun part, let's go. And now we're gonna clean the onion. Alright, so we did the hard part, we cut the potatoes and the onion here, alright, so it's ready. So right now we're gonna actually prepare the marinade that we're gonna put the chicken. We're gonna put the mustard, the oil, and all the spices that I have here. I'm gonna put it in a nice bowl, we're gonna mix it very well. And after put the chicken and mix it all together. When we mix the ingredients very well, we're gonna put the chicken now inside here. Right. And now we're gonna use our nice hands to mix this all together. Alright? Like that. Just like that. Alright, now that we mix the chicken, we have to open the oven so it gets warmed. I'm gonna put it at 180 degrees. Put some olive oil. I'm usually using my hand here to put the olive oil everywhere. I'm gonna put the chicken. Alright, right now we're gonna put in the bowl where we had the chicken. We're gonna put all the potatoes here inside. So we're gonna mix with what left here. Alright. Just gonna mix it good. Alright. And now we're just gonna throw it here inside, just like that. Alright, so we put everything in the tray and the oven I think is ready. Just go and put it inside, guys. That's it. It's gonna be ready in 1 hour. Maybe 1 hour and 50 minutes, something like this. We're gonna check. Alright, let's wait. Alright, and after 1 hour 50 minutes, I think it's ready. Right? Wow. Ah. Alright guys, a nice chicken with potatoes. It's actually ready to serve. Let's put it on a plate. This is my favorite food, guys, and very good food after exercises. Chicken has protein. Okay, I'll choose this part. Alright, and we're ready to eat. It's unbelievable. As I said, this is my favorite food. I'm usually cooking it once a week and I have like for the whole week. It's not too much. So guys, I'm cooking this because I want to have chicken for after workout, like protein. So this is very healthy and very nice in the oven and very easy. While I'm putting in the oven, I'm actually working out. So I'm not losing time. Oven cooks it, the cooker cooks it, I'm working out, having shower, come back, it's ready and I eat. That's it, very easy. So guys, if you would like to try it yourself and write in the comment section below what you achieved, if it was tasty and nice. It's actually very easy. I usually just put all these spices to the chicken and chicken don't eat anything else. It's very tasty actually, look at this. Alright guys, so guys, like and subscribe. I'm not gonna make more videos about cooking, I think so, because I'm not cooking too many things. Anyway, we'll see, alright? Like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye guys. Yum, yum.